for loving me. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for dropping by. Look at that. Look at that. For love, kamusta ka? What is, how are you in India?
സുഖം തന്നെയല്ലേ?
Sugandanele? Sugandanele for love. Thank you. You too. Hindi ka na pupunta kay Madam Dayan? Hindi kita nakita ah.
And I love you told no?
Nanonika,
ഞാൻ
Kadalikaran.
നിന്നെ കാതലിക്ക് തമിഴ്
Yes, Tamil.
and മലയാളം
That is not Tamil.
ഞാൻ നിന്നെ പ്രേമിക്കുന്നു.
What?
ഞാൻ നിന്നെ
Yan inne,
പ്രേമിക്കുന്നു.
Premikuna.
Yes.
Yan inne, Premikuna.
ഞാൻ നിന്നെ
What is that aside from Tamil?
Same,
What do you
same.
call that? I mean, what the.
I means ഞാൻ. You means നിന്നെ.
No, no. What I mean is Tamil. How many language you have? Tamil.
Tamil, we have 28 language.
Oh my. Your language, what is that?
മലയാളം.
Huh?
മലയാളം.
Malayalam.
മലയാളം.
Jinpona, Julie Kadri, Kanbata, Gadagatre, Puputa, Dinverumi, Parbata, Diverme, at Batu, Colelie, not Batu, Nevalie, not Batu, Lovelaye. I cannot memorize, it's long time ago already.
Tamil.
That is Tamil.
You good?
Because I met Tamil, you know.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who sang, who sings Tamil
Yes.
song in YouTube. You know, only me. I'm the only one Filipino. I don't know the other one, but so far I didn't see anything singing Indian song.
Anybody? Maybe nobody.
Filipino, because it's very hard to pronounce, because you know I practice it before I go live. Since when I was 2008, I love this song. When I heard this one, all Indians.
ിലൂടെ അപ്പോൾ എന്നോട് വിസ കുറെ എടുക്കാണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഈ ആഴ്ച കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. നാളെ മുതൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റിങ്ങി പോകണം. ടിക്കറ്റിന് 6000, ഒരു എമിറേറ്റ്സ് 10,000 ദിർഹംസാണ്. 12,800 ടിക്കറ്റ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്നിവിടെ എയർ അറേബ്യ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ 4,300 കിട്ടാണ്ട്.
Andre. I know what your machalo. Oh. I love this song.
That's very nice song. It's a Hindi.
Hindi, this one.
Chamak Chalo.
Chamak Chalo is like a beautiful woman, lady.
Chal.
Chamak Chalo.
Chamak Chalo.
Chamachalo. Oh, oh, oh. One and only broken angel. Fall apart. Oh my God. Napilay na ako. Wait, wait, wait. Kahit nakuko ko. Jingo day, jingo day. Tiil ko lang ano, ipakita ko day. Ay, going to UK Embassy day. Kagabi, Diyos ko, hindi na ako nakakayat sa'yo. Kailan ka mag-live ulit? Kailan ka mag-live, Day? Kasi mga 9:30 pa ako dito. Mga 10 na yan sa'yo. Ako available sa gabi. Kasi advance ang isang oras sa Lebanon. Sa Lebanon ka pa rin ba?
Link already?
Ha?
Link already?
They link, they took photo, they took take OTP too many times, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
They installed the ABC in my phone. We took photo already. Let's go. No, not yet.
Same government even just one Same government
ഓരോ ദിവസം ഓരോ നിയമോദാരണം വരുത്തല്ലേ? Dubai already choice on the company.
visa already approved.
This first domestic pandan, the beef pandan. Thank you. Food tour. Okay.